Welcome to Proven and Probable, where we deliver mining insights and bullion sales in the form of physical delivery, offshore depositories, and private blockchain distributed ledger technology.
Welcome to Proven and Probable, where we provide mining insights and bullion sales. I'm your host, Maurice Jackson. Joining us for a conversation is Dr. John Mark Staude, the President, Director, and CEO of Riverside Resources, where knowledge is golden. Dr. Staude, welcome to the show.
Good to be on the show, Maurice.
Dr. Staude, before we delve into today's interview, please introduce us to Riverside Resources and the opportunity you present to the market.
Well, Riverside's a prospect generator, and we've been able to deliver joint venture programs. We've been able to develop very good value for shareholders, and the value proposition is exposure to multiple commodities for upside with limited downside. Riverside's well capitalized and moving forward as a strong prospect generator company.
Back in January, Riverside Resources was involved in some strategic acquisitions which further expanded the footprint of Riverside in Sonora, Mexico. You have an update for shareholders. Take us there and provide us with the update, please.
We do. We were so excited. The markets were tough during early 2019, and Riverside took advantage of our bases in Mexico to acquire the properties from Millrock, Mexico. One of those projects, the Los Cuarentas Project, we're now moving ahead, and we're very excited about the recent results and the blue sky we see going forward.
Looking at the map over your right shoulder, it's in close proximity to SilverCrest's mine. Just walk us through the map, please.
We're so excited. It is. We're actually very close to SilverCrest mine. The Los Cuarentas Project that's held by Riverside is immediately to the west of SilverCrest and immediately to the east of Mercedes Mine. That's where Premier Gold Mine is operating, and it's actually just to the northwest of the operations of First Majestic at Santa Elena Mine. So we're right in the middle of a major metallitect, a major mineralized rich district. The Arizpe area was one of the three most important mining and smelting operating locations in the past century for the District of Sonora, the overall state of Sonora, and really for Mexico. For Riverside to get the Los Cuarentas Project is a real coup. Really great for us. We've worked for years to get it, and we're so excited with the completion of this acquisition from Millrock. And for Riverside, the ability to be sandwiched between three other operators, and to the north, Agnico Eagle at their Santa Gertrudis mine, makes Riverside in an ideal place to do transactions and make discovery in a place we know there's mineralization.
Now, does Riverside have any historical geophysics, geochemistry, and drilling from the Los Cuarentas Project?
We do, and one of the most interesting is from the production. There's actually operations going down over 200 meters in a long strike on some of these veins, and a master's thesis done at the University of Arizona, where I myself got my doctorate. That's one of the sets of data. Then recently, in the last 2 years, there's been geophysics of IP surveys that have defined the veins. There have been geochemistry, including Riverside's work and some of the other recent work that's extended the veins and found other veins, and structural geological mapping, alteration, all that put together on our website and going forward for Riverside with drill targets. Very exciting to be able to grab such a great asset and be able to build off of our knowledge.
Speaking of targets, have any been identified and how many?
3 have been identified. The most important one is the Santa Rosalia vein. The Santa Rosalia mine, right in the heart of the Los Cuarentas district, is a key one where the old operations. Following that to the south, the Santa Rosalia Sur target, where we have good IP, good geophysical indications. And following that further to the south and east, along this over 4 kilometers of strike length, is the sombrero. Sombrero like a hat. Sombrero over the top. Sombrero being the right type of geology at the top of a boiling zone. Thus, we know we're on top of good vein system. We don't know the grade, but we know it's a very exciting target. So for 3 targets at Los Cuarentas, ready to move forward, 100% for Riverside. Really great position for us.
When does Riverside anticipate drilling to commence?
Yeah, Riverside's actually working on the drill permits. We have most of the permits, but because it's such a large area, we're finalizing that and finalizing all the surface. And then before PDAC, we look forward to having drill results. So we're really in time before March to have those drill results. Here we are going into September, October. So really good time for us to be able to get the results and get them to the market.
Are there discussions going on with potential JV partners?
There's interest. We just got back actually from a major mining conference, the Beaver Creek and Denver Gold shows, and there's interest there. So yes, we always are entertaining JV partners. Today I actually have meetings with partners, potential partners and things like that. We do that every day, but this project also has such great value and with this permit. So we're in a great position to move ahead with the project and continually looking for partners as well.
Switching gears, John Mark, please share the current capital structure of Riverside.
Riverside's a very tight company. We've been going 13 years. We have 63 million shares out. Very good position to be in.
John Mark, it's been a very productive year for Riverside. What is the next unanswered question for Riverside, and when can we expect an answer, and what's going to determine success?
You know, it's interesting with the diversified portfolio. It's not just one, but let's say one at Los Cuarentas will be the definition of these drill targets. So that's one. But also we're doing the work with BHP and we're developing high value work programs. So that'll be great for us with results from BHP. Another one is the program we're doing in Sinaloa Resources and also the work we're doing in Cecilia. So we have multiple different things going forward. But one thing right now, Los Cuarentas, we're very excited about it. We've worked for a long time. We just be able to get it to move ahead. So Riverside will see news flow from that in the coming months.
Dr. Staude, for someone listening that wants to get more information about Riverside Resources, please share the contact details.
Please come to our website. That's RIVRES.com. Or please call us. Our IR department and myself, we'd love to speak to you. And that's at 778-327-6671. Please give us a call. We'd love to speak to you.
And as a reminder, Riverside Resources trades on the TSX.V, symbol RRI, and on the OTCQB, symbol RVSDF. Before you make your next bullion purchase, be sure to call me. I'm a licensed representative for Miles Franklin Precious Metals Investments. We provide a number of options to expand your precious metals portfolio, from physical delivery, offshore depositories, precious metal IRAs, and private blockchain distributed ledger technology. Call me directly at 855-505-1900. That number again is 855-505-1900. Or you may email Maurice at milesfranklin.com. Finally, please be sure to subscribe to provenandprobable.com, where we provide mining insights and bullion sales. Riverside Resources is a sponsor of Proven and Probable, and we are proud shareholders of Riverside Resources for the virtues conveyed in today's message. Dr. John Mark Staude of Riverside Resources, thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable.
The information presented on Proven and Probable is provided for educational and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information is not intended to be and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice, or any other advice. You should not make any financial, investment, or trading decision based on any of the information presented without first undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or competent financial advisor.